We'll guide you through how to check and see your Google account password on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do because perhaps you've gone and forgotten your password and you want to try doing this before going through the reset process. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, as otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So to go and get started, what we need to do is we need to go and locate the Google app. So I've got this folder called Google and it's just there, Google, but you can always go and swipe up, press search at the top and go and type in Google like so, and there it is. So you can then open it up. Then what you want to do is go to the top right and go and press on your profile icon. You can go and switch account if needed here, because you can try doing it with your different Google accounts. And what you want to do is go and press manage your Google account at the top here, like so. This will then go and open up, go and wait. What you need to do is go down to security and sign in and tap there. Then you need to go and scroll down all the way down until you go and find password manager. If you struggle to go and find this, you can press search in the top right and go and type in password manager. Now, what you need to do is you need to go to the top and type in or tap on search, and you can go and type in Google. You can try doing Gmail in case it's saved under that, but most likely be saved under Google, and you can tap there. Enter in your screen lock and press continue. And then you can go and see the different saved accounts here, and I can press the I to the right to go and reveal the password or go and copy it. If you want to try doing this with a different Google account, as sometimes you may have saved it on there if you used that previously, you can press your profile icon in the top right and switch, or switch back where I showed you at the start as well. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you in the future with another how-to.